In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a branch on GitHub in just 5 minutes. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working on personal projects, understanding how to create and manage branches is essential for effective version control. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get to GitHub. Open your favorite web browser and type in github.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the home page and they'll greet you with a plethora of options. But what you're looking for is the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click. Now you'll be directed to a page where you can log into your GitHub account. Here you'll need to enter your username or email address associated with your GitHub account. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any login issues. Then proceed by entering your password. If you're on a shared or public computer, double check to ensure no one is peeking over your shoulder. Security matters. Having entered your login credentials correctly, you can now click on Sign In. With any luck, your details are correct, and you will be directed to your GitHub dashboard. Welcome to the center of your coding universe. From here, you can access everything you need to manage your repositories. Look for and select the repository in which you'd like to create a new branch. You might have to scroll through your list of repositories, especially if you've got quite a few. Choose the one you want, and once that's done, we'll move on to the next step. On the repository page, locate the branch button, usually situated around the top left, just close to your repository name. Clicking on this will open a list of existing branches. To create a new one, you'll see an option labeled New Branch. Click it to continue. Now a text field will appear asking for the name of your new branch. Be mindful when naming your branch, consider being descriptive yet concise. Names like feature updated login or bug fix loop error tell what the branch is meant for just at a glance. It helps keep things organized, especially when collaborating with others. After deciding on the name, it's time to make it official. Click on create new branch, and just like that, you've successfully created a branch on GitHub. You've taken a vital step in managing and organizing your code more effectively. There you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a branch on GitHub. By managing your branches wisely, you could enhance your workflow efficiency and make collaborations with others on your projects much more seamless. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!